Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, 0 to Expert. Those little @ lines above functions, the ones that look like magic? Today they stop being magic. Decorators are simpler than they look, I promise. Module 15, 2 ideas unlock this. First, in Python, functions are just values you can pass around. Second, a function can remember the world it was born in. Put those together, and decorators fall out naturally. 3 things. You'll see functions treated as ordinary values. You'll understand closures, functions that remember. And you'll both read and write a decorator, that @ line with total confidence. Start with a closure. Make reader builds a little function and hands it back. Notice, the inner greet still uses greeting, even after the outer function is long gone. It closed over that value. It remembers. That memory is the whole trick behind decorators. So what's the @? A decorator takes your function, wraps it in extra behavior, and hands back the wrapped version. At timer, above slow is literally just slow equals timer of slow. That's it. No magic. Just a function that takes a function. Here's a real one. A timer. It takes your function and returns a wrapper. The wrapper notes the time, calls your original function, logs how long it took, and returns the result. Slap @timer on anything, and it's suddenly timed. Write once, reuse everywhere. Sarah here. This is the kind of decorator you'll actually reach for. At cache from the standard library, it remembers past results, so this recursive function goes from painfully slow to instant. 1 line, huge win. That's the power of decorators. And that's decorators and closures. You know functions are values, you get closures, and the @ is just wrapping. Next time, concurrency. Threads, async, and the famous GIL made clear. I'm Swathia. This is Codecraft. See you there.